This is one of the easiest, high protein, low carb, vanilla ice cream recipes you will ever make. It takes just 5 minutes to prepare, requires only 3 ingredients, and will mix in a food processor or immersion blender. And just in time for summer, why not enjoy some vanilla ice cream that's guilt-free and delicious? So let's just get into it. So the first thing you want to do is prep your main ingredient, which will be 1 medium-sized banana. So go ahead and cut your banana into slices. Put it in a Ziploc bag in a single layer and throw that in the freezer. Once your banana is solid and frozen through, let's get started with that protein ice cream. I'm using a food processor, so I'll be putting all my ingredients in there. You could also put your ingredients in a bowl and use an immersion blender. So the first thing you want to do is put a 1/4 cup of low-fat cottage cheese. Next, add your frozen banana slices. And last, a 1/4 cup of vanilla casein protein. Casein protein is a lot more absorbent than whey, so that's what gives it the thicker consistency. So the casein is kind of required for this recipe. Now the next 2 ingredients are optional, but they really add to the vanilla flavor, which will be a 1/4 teaspoon kosher salt and 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Now that all your ingredients are added to your food processor, go ahead and blend that for about a minute until all your ingredients are combined and smooth. And it should look like this. Now add your protein ice cream to a bowl. At this point, you could add the mix-ins of your choice. I just did some Lily's sugar-free chocolate chips. You could be as creative as you want with your mix-ins. Cover it and put it in the freezer for exactly 30 minutes. Remove your ice cream from the freezer, mix, and return it to the freezer for another 30 minutes. You want to repeat this process for a total of 4 times, mixing your ice cream with a fork, putting it in the freezer for 30 minutes, removing it, mixing with a fork, and returning. By the 4th time of removing your ice cream from the freezer, you'll have the perfect ice cream consistency. And of course, you can't have ice cream without toppings. I added some crushed pecans, some Lily's mint chocolate chips, and some sprinkles. Once it's topped and ready to serve, sit back and marvel at your 3-ingredient, high-protein, low-carb vanilla ice cream. And now it's time to hear the crazy macros. This ice cream makes 2 servings. Each serving yields 15 grams of protein, 14 grams of carbs, 1.5 grams of fiber, 9 grams of sugar, and 1.1 grams of fat. And the taste test, consistency was perfect. The flavor was nice, but the banana flavor was stronger than I would really like. Probably gonna tackle this one again and substitute the banana to give it more vanilla flavor. But other than that, tasted amazing, creamy, nice consistency. I've had Halo Top and other store-bought low-carb ice creams before, and those don't even compare. Better texture, more flavor. It's closer to ice cream than any of those. This one actually tastes and feels like you're eating real ice cream. And I'm not gonna lie, couldn't help myself. I ate the whole bowl in this sitting. Wasn't my plan, but it was that good. Super easy, don't need to churn it. Combines in your food processor. The hardest part is waiting. Hope you enjoy it. Let me know what you think. If you know someone who can use this easy, high-protein, low-carb vanilla ice cream recipe, please share the video. And thank you for being here and watching. I really try to share my favorite recipes, and I hope you try, experiment, and enjoy them. And until next time, keep it classy, keep it keto. Keto Craft Kitchen, out. If you're looking for another similar, high-protein, 3-ingredient recipe, check out this berry protein fluff video here. And for all my high-protein recipes, check out this playlist. And for future content, please subscribe.